I'd like to welcome you to our tropical update for today. It's November 1st, a Sunday morning, and I want to kind of give you an idea as to what we're looking at with Tropical Storm Eta. One of the first things you probably want to know is its location. Where is it going to come? And I think this is one of the best ways to see it. You can see this loop here starting today and then coming into tomorrow night into Tuesday shows the storm coming into the coast of Nicaragua as about 990 millibars, which is a borderline hurricane, tropical storm. I don't think wind's going to be the biggest story with Eta. It'll definitely be the rain. But a lot of the models are showing this general movement where it comes into Nicaragua, moves up the coast towards us and through Honduras, and then actually has this northerly track going out over Cuba and even threatening the United States towards next weekend and into the week after next. But before that, it's going to bring us some wind and a lot of rain. So let's go to the next question, which is how much wind are we going to get? And this is accumulated wind. So like the highest winds that we can expect, 42 miles an hour on one plot. And let me come over here and kind of show you the genesis of these winds. So we come into Monday at about 10 a.m. and you see it closing in on the coast and kind of slowing down a little bit. This is Tuesday at 6 a.m., Tuesday at 2 p.m. Now, as we get into Tuesday evening, you can see the winds are really picking up here as the storm moves inland and getting us Wednesday morning. Looks like the windiest part of the storm for us as it moves inland. And here it shows it kind of going to the other side of the country of Honduras and then towards Friday coming back north, but not having quite the wind potential. You can even see the center there on Friday. It's near us, but we're not getting that much wind because at this point it's not necessarily a strong tropical storm, but it is definitely a rainmaker. And let's go over here to see that potential. This is if I can bring this. Let's see. So this is another model called the ECM WARF, and you can see it coming into the country, and you can see the rain associated with it over the week just kind of hanging over us. And I think that's the biggest concern of this storm. Of course, getting 40-mile-an-hour winds, as you know, on Roatan, that'll probably put our power out at some point. But the more concerning point is this amount of rain that we're going to see over the next week. And that brings me to the total precipitation that this is expected to bring. And if I can bring this up here and put this toward a week, so that gets us into Monday of next week, the total accumulation of rain, 100 millimeters of rain equals about 4 inches of rain. So you can see on the northern coast of Honduras, over towards San Pedro Sula perhaps, it gives us over 1,000 millimeters of rain. That is 40 plus inches of rain. That is a lot. That's going to cause a lot of flooding, a lot of problems, landslides, some horrible concerns. Most of the models give us less than that, but still somewhere in the neighborhood of 12 to 15 inches of rain. Again, not ideal. So most of the models say that our windiest time period will probably be Wednesday morning. This should make landfall Monday night in Nicaragua and then move into the mainland of Central America. And then most of the models say it will come back north and give us more rain towards the end of next week before moving ultimately north, perhaps towards Cuba and North America. again, we'll keep an eye on it and watch for updates.